Hey, this is a quick video explaining DeltaMath, which is one of the online assessment tools we'll be using. We'll use this a lot for classwork and daily homework. I tend to give these out maybe on a weekly basis and kind of give a lot of problems so that the student will have some flexibility as to when they can kind of work on this on their own. The first thing you notice is that this assignment is called Angles and Their Measures, and it has all these little subtopics, and I've assigned a set number of problems for each of them. For instance, rotating small angles. They have to get 5 of these correct to complete this topic and then move on to the next topic. Okay, so just to give you an example of what this looks like, let's click on Finding Reference Angles Guided. I think you'll see what I mean by guided. So if I kind of click in there, okay, first thing you'll notice is that we have this, it says watch help video. So if your student, for whatever reason, gets stuck, they should go right here and they'll get a quick video that's specific, not to this problem, but a problem just like it. Okay, so in here, it says rotate and find a reference angle for 286. Now this is pretty user friendly in that you just click and drag this around until you get to 286 degrees. So it gives the students an idea what an angle is in standard form. Now you could see that this little red piece lit up here, right? So basically, that's DeltaMath saying, hey, there's the answer. You just got to figure out that angle. So it's clearly, this is 360 degrees all the way around. 286 is where we're at. So if I take 360 and if I subtract 286, I'd be left with 74 degrees. All right, so I'm going to hit 74. I'm going to click try, right? And I'm going to submit my answer. And I get this window saying, hey, are you sure? And then it's going to think a little bit. Actually, now it's thinking a lot. So, oh, there we go. I got the check mark, meaning, hey, it's correct. What I do like is that they'll kind of show you the solution anyway. You know, what is a reference angle? It's the positive distance from the x-axis, and they kind of light it up here that you got it correct. Incidentally, if your student got it incorrect, there would be a red X. They would still give the correct solution. So you can kind of look at and see what the solution is. And then you could click next problem. Again, I got 1 out of 3 correct. I'd need to do 2 more. But I'm going to back out just to show you just one more. I don't know. Let's do converting radians to degrees. Okay. Again, you have watch help video. If anybody gets stuck. The question is convert the angle 5 pi over 2 radians to degrees. I happen to know that 5 pi over 2 radians is 450 degrees. I'm going to purposely, I think I'll get this wrong. I'll say 400 degrees. I'll submit my answer. Are you sure? Yeah. And the answer is not correct. Try to find your mistake. You have 1 attempt remaining. So it gives them another shot at it. I'll click OK. Let me go back. By the way, I also have a button Show Example. It'll give me an example problem just like it. What would 5 pi over 6 be? We replace pi with 180 degrees, and now it does it. So, you know, it's pretty user-friendly, and that's kind of why I have it. By the way, down here, it'll show you what previous assignments with late credit and no late credit. Incidentally, if for whatever reason something happened and even if they're down here and they haven't done it, they can still do it and send me an email. You know, it's still possible to do those problems. Okay, but I do set time limits for these. Okay, so that's DeltaMath, and if you have any questions, certainly reach out to me through email.